Today on Happiest Camper, we show you this easy sew ruffle skirt with a free pattern. You will feel so pretty in this 3-tiered ruffle skirt. Make it out of any lightweight fabric to make it the most comfortable skirt you own. Perfect for casual or festive occasions, you can dress it up or down with sandals or high heels. Let's get started. Start by printing and assembling your free pattern. You can print it at the link below. Lay your pattern on the fabric and cut it out. Once you have all of your fabric pieces, fold the connectors, ruffles, and upper skirt right sides together, aligning the short ends. Pin and sew using a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Finish the edges with a pinking shear or zigzag stitch. Next, set your sewing machine to the longest stitch and sew a basting, gathering stitch, 1/4 of an inch from the raw edge on the upper part of all the ruffle pieces. Ensure you leave long thread tails to gather the fabric. Divide the top end of each ruffle fabric into quarters. Next, we will be hemming each of the ruffle pieces. To do this, fold the hem 1/2 inch twice and sew 1/8 of an inch from the fold. Gather the top part of the ruffle fabric by pulling on the basting stitch. You will gather until it is the same width as the connector. You will do this for the middle and lower ruffle pieces. We are about halfway through this fun tutorial. If you are enjoying this video, be sure to hit that like button. Divide the top end of the connectors into quarters by marking with pins or clips. Divide the ruffles into quarters by marking with pins or clips if you have not already done so. With right sides together, pin the connector to the ruffle, aligning the side seam. Both the connector and the ruffle should be the same width. Repeat this step for the other connector and ruffle pieces. Sew them together. Take tier 2, the middle tier, and fold the connector so that its wrong side is exposed. Take tier 3 and slide it into tier 2 so that the right side of tier 3 is touching the wrong side of tier 2. Pin the connector of tier 3 to the seam of tier 2, aligning side seams. Sew both tiers together. We will now call this the lower skirt. Take the last ruffle piece and pin it to the lower skirt and sew. Pin the upper skirt to the lower skirt and sew. To sew the elastic band casing, fold the upper skirt wrong sides together by 1/4 inch, then by another 1 inch. Sew 1/8 inch from the fold, leaving a 2-inch opening to insert your elastic. Attach your elastic to a safety pin and insert it into the skirt. Overlap the two ends by 1/2 inch. Stitch securely together. Sew the opening of your elastic closed. Finish the raw edges of the seams on the inside of the skirt by using a serger, zigzag stitch, or pinking shears. And that's it! Now you know how to make a ruffle skirt with a free pattern. Mix and match this cute skirt for endless style. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get notified about our latest content. Thanks for watching.